Many people don't realize how easy it is to get your image onto an iron-on patch. In order to get your image onto a patch, here's what you need. An Epson F170 dye sublimation printer loaded with multi-use transfer paper, a pair of heat gloves, blank iron-on patches, a small heat press like this one, scissors, heat transfer tape, and a heat pad. Once you have the finished design for your iron-on patch, this is how to send it to the F170 printer. For Windows users, click the Print button. Choose Properties, choose your paper type. For an iron-on patch, choose Textile. Click OK, then click Print to send the file to the printer. For Mac users, click the Print button. Choose Printer. Choose Print Settings, choose your media type. For an iron-on patch, choose Textile. Click Print, and click Print again to send the file to the printer. And now let's cut out each individual iron-on patch. So now we're ready to tape our iron-on patch in place. We're going to flip this over, line it up, put a couple of pieces of heat transfer tape, and now we're ready to press it. Before you complete your iron-on patch, you may want to protect your table surface. To do so, grab a piece of scrap wood or a piece of cardboard. We're going to grab our shirt and set it in place. Then we're going to take our image, flip it over, adjust it to where we want to press it, and now we're ready to begin. We'll grab our press, set it down, and begin our timer. We're pressing at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. And when the timer is done, it will alert us. Be sure to lift your heat press up slowly. Be sure to put on your heat gloves, as the items will be hot. Once you've done that, simply peel the paper away, and you're all done.